everyone, and welcome back to Cook with Salonee. In today's video, we are celebrating the kids heading back to school with the recipe vegetarian Shandong Style Fried Noodles. This hearty and delicious recipe is perfect for keeping everyone energized and smiling throughout the whole new school year. I mean, these noodles are the longest I've ever seen. Back to school can be a whirlwind of emotion, both for the parents and for the kids. The anticipation, the excitement, and yes, a bit of relief too. Now, let's get started. First, let's chop up our fresh vegetables.
Recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice.
Here are the ingredients you need to make this fantastic dish. The vibrant colors are going to make this dish not only delicious, but also visually appealing. Now, in the wok go our veggies and the cooked noodles.
Do you recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice? And I knew it would catch up.
Watch how these flavors come together.
And that we would be the ones left behind. Stories I've been told, they never.
And voila, our delicious vegetarian Shandong Style Fried Noodles. It's a perfect meal to celebrate the kids heading back to school. The best part? You can customize this dish with your family's favorite ingredients. It's a wonderful way to bond and share stories about the day at school.
And that we would be the ones left behind.
These noodles are so good, you would have never guessed you are eating meat-free noodles, guys. I hope this recipe brings joy to your back-to-school routine as it did for us. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss any delicious recipe from Salonee. That's me. Until next time, happy cooking and happy back to school.